Welcome back again to another tutorial of this video. This one we are going to be walking you through the first opening and zelio interface. First, we are going to be launching the software which we were downloading in the previous sessions. The zelio software, as you see, this is it here, version 5. So you can just double click on the software. It's going to open. So this is how the interface looks like. So this video you cover what we see before you, like the welcome page. If you see, the first thing they offer you with is the register button. For when you want to register for the software, you can use the option that says register now. So that's just it. To when you click on it, it's going to open. You see address and telephone, electronic, this thing configure address, electronic, this. So the software is in French. You can just activate if you want to activate for the software or you want to register for the software, but we will not be doing that. We close this one, create a new program. For the other option which says create a new program, this one is used when you want to create a blank file to work with, like a blank simulation file to work with, a blank zelio file that you want to simulate or you want to start a new project to work with. You go with this one that says create, which we'll see on the next video. And now the other option that says open an existing program, which means, for instance, where you are working on when you had already worked on a program and you saved it on your computer and you want to go and open it back, so you can use this option, open an existing program. You have to browse for, if you had saved the program on your desktop, you just look for it. If it was on a download, you look for it there. If it was on a document, just navigate there, and when you see it, you just click on open. It's going to open. Now, apart from that, now we go back. We are going to see now, looking at the other options, which says open a recent program, a recent used program, which means if you are working on a program and you recently and you closed your zelio software, you can refer back to it without having to browse back. So when you use this open a recent used program, it just zelio provides you the options of all of those programs or all of those simulations or previous project you were working on, for you to just choose in between them or which one you want to work with. And then the one that says download a program from a module, which means if you had simulated a program or a scenario and you had already transferred inside a module which you want to take back from the module to the PC, because it is possible. Zelio makes it possible to get back whatever simulation you have put in a module back to the computer. So if you were called to go and debug errors inside a zelio PLC, which you think the error can come from the simulation, you will have to now use this option which says download a program from a module, which takes the code of the program or the ladder language of the program from the module to the computer, which you now have to work on. So that's it. The other option which says monitoring mode, this option is used when you connect your zelio live with the PC. You want to monitor how it function in real time before you disconnect it, like to the same debugging errors. If you want to like check if there are mistakes or it does not work the way you want, and that's how you use this monitoring mode for. You can connect your module directly with the wire, because the zelio comes with the cable. You connect the cable and you are able now to look at its function while it is simulating on your machine. It is reacting live on the PLC. The last one, which is the exit button, just tells you, and you click on it, it closes the program. So this is all for this video. See you in the next video.